Right. So SPY, nice bounce. SPY is breaking through.
Mm-hmm.
See how it plays out. SPY is breaking through. Snow pushing as well. All right. So now I'm back to where I was previously. Back to $2,300 open in SPY. I want to see SPY run to a 237. That'd be lovely for me. So right now, the position that I'm currently in snow, if the stock runs up every $10, the stock move up. That's five
Mm-hmm.
thousand. That's roughly around $5,000 for me.
Oh my goodness.
But every $10 it moves down, I'm losing $5,000. So
Same thing.
right. So it's or roughly 5,000. Be a little bit less than that, but roughly. So yeah, kind of where we are now. So let's look how SPY moves. So right here, we broke above that pre-market high. Broke above that pre-market high on a 15-minute time frame. Decision making time. We've had a decision making time on snow ever since yesterday. Decision making time. Decision making time. Small push up right here came back, formed another decision making time, and then boom, it's breaking out now. We've broken that. We have officially broken through the pre-market high. We broke through the pre-market high and yesterday's high. Okay, that's what we've broken through. That's a positive sign. Okay, that's a positive sign. As you can see, I'm up $2,000 for the day and $2,600 for the trade.
And how long are you looking to hold this one, or you just kind of you're not gonna hold all the way to March, right?
No, definitely not. Nope, definitely not. 1 second. Dun, 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 dun. So this is where we are right now. So with this particular trade, I could definitely they have their earnings report. They have their earnings on December the 28th. I mean February 28th. So I'm looking out for that. Uh I will probably exit the trade before then, take whatever profits I currently have, and then probably invest into and get like a small earnings play on it. But I definitely will not be holding everything through earnings at all.
Oh wow, that's how you see that. I never knew that.
Oh, the earnings play. When earnings show up, yeah, over here on the watch list. Click right here on the watch list. You will see that it has earnings right there with those dots on the side. The blue dot means earning. The red one means that's when they're having their conference call for it.
Mm.
Okay, then so right now with SPY, SPY has broken above pre-market high, broken above the pre-market high. It's trying to push up. Let's see. 5 minute. Look at that push up. 5-minute decision making time, decision making time, decision making time. Boom, nice push up. SPY is currently up $3.72 for the day.
Yeah, that's crazy how that little trend line worked like that.
Right. And it's normally what you're looking at is those high. You're looking at those higher highs. You look right here, and we focus in on this right here. So a lot of people get scared, afraid when things like this happen. Let me show it to you. So for example, we push down right here. This first red candlestick pushed down right here. Now it pushed down right here, and it stopped right here for a reason. Okay, it didn't just push down right here for no reason, then stop. There's a reason why it stopped right there. So if we go back and look and say, okay, why is this level right here strong for intraday level? Look right here. Look right here. This is the third time the stock came down to this level since 4 o'clock this morning, or this is SPY, so 1 o'clock this morning. It came down here. It came up to the level right here, bounced off of it, pushed up right here. Okay, and look where it pushed up to. This time it pushed up right here at this 496.6 area. Okay, then it pushed back down here again to this level, and it bounced, and it went up to what? The pre-market level. Okay, so it made a higher high than the previous time it bounced off of it. So what is that telling us? First of all, that's telling us this. Okay, this is a strong level of support. We know there's some buyers here because the buyers pushed it up right here. Then it fell back down. It came back down to this level. The buyers pushed it up again. Boom, boom, boom. Buyers pushed it up again. And we came up to this level right here again. Well, it came up to this level, making a new high. Well, it came up to this level right here, making a new high. So at the opening, when it fell back down, it went right back down to that exact same level. Right back down to that exact same level. That level is saying this is a strong level of support because at 4:30 a.m. it came to this level. At 6:30 a.m. it came to this level. And then right here at 9:30 a.m. it came to that level. And then it came down here and it pushed back up. And ever since then, we've been pushing up, fall back down right here, higher low, push up back to this resistance again, fall back down right here, higher low. And then we know a green candlestick starts right here. We push down some right here, and then we, boom, exploded up. Exploded up. Okay?
Yeah, I was hearing that. So basically, like, the more times it bounces off the zone, or like so what am I trying to say? Support.
Yep.
That means, like, I heard it's bound to, like, blow out of it soon.
Exactly. So when we identify that it keeps bouncing off a certain level, we do know it's a strong possibility it could break. Therefore, that's why you have your stop loss somewhere underneath this level right here, right? But if we see it bounce off that level and goes up, bounce off that level and goes up, but when you see a candlestick like this or anything like this, right, when it bounces off a level and then it just pushes up and leave a lone wick, that's a strong, right, indication that the buyers are buying in. And then that's when you start looking at your higher lows and finding your consolidations at higher support levels. Okay, and then let's dig a little deeper. The second time this stock pushed down right here, it pushed down right here. It stopped right there for a reason. And let's see what that reason was. If I draw a level right here, boom. Now look at this. It was support right here at 9:15. It was support right here at 9 o'clock. Support right here at 8:45. Support right here at 8:30. Support right here at 8:15. It was support multiple times this morning. Right? Then it came right here. And then it came right here. Little smaller things like that can be game changers for you just by identifying them. Anytime a stock falls down to a level and it stops, the next question should be, why did it stop? Who stopped it? And what was the reason for it? What was the reason for it stopping? And we want to find out what that reasoning was. Okay. Now, remember when I said earlier that when we drew this trend line earlier, that this stock can just walk up the trend line and then it's going to explode. Okay. So we have the explosion right here. So what we're doing now is we're going to come back and retest this trend line to see if this trend line is still valid. Okay. We're going to retest this trend line. So to continue this push up, we're going to see a bounce off this trend line, a big green candlestick, and that green candlestick is going to break above this wick right here. Okay. That's one option. Break above this level right here, because it came to this level and stopped for a reason. It didn't just come to that level for no reason. It stopped right there for a reason. Or what we're going to see is we're going to start seeing some consolidation. All right. We're going to see consolidation going back. Going straight to the side, to the side, to the side, to the side consolidation. Okay. That's a strong possibility as well. Okay. All right. Let's see what Snow has going on. All right. So Snow is right here. Kind of trying to consolidate, go to the 5 minute, break down the 5 minute time frame. Look at the 5 minute time frame right now on Snow. We see that it pushed up here and we're consolidating right here. Right now I'm up $2,500 for this trade and I'm up $1,900 for the day.
Very nice.
Strong possibility we can come down here and retest this support level, but I don't want to see that, right? I would rather us, instead of coming back testing this new support level, I'd rather us stay above the support level now since I'm in the trade, stay above the support level and consolidate around here. Somewhere around here, consolidate somewhere around there, stay above this level, consolidate around here, and then eventually push back up. That's what I would prefer to see, instead of seeing it come all the way back down here to this level, this 231.93 level. I wanted to stay above 230. I wanted to stay above that 232.50 level. That's what I would like to see. Okay, and this is Snow. This is Snow. Let's go back to SPY. All right, now we look at SPY on the 5 minute, on the 15 minute. The 5 minute, you see what we see here is consolidation, consolidation, consolidation. But let me show you something also, right? Look at this 1 minute time frame. Look how on the 1 minute time frame, Eric, how much do I need to start? Eric, I tell everybody put $500 to $1,000 into your account. Also, everybody who was on the last YouTube, thank you guys for telling me that my text message was showing. I appreciate that. That's why I shut that one down, and I didn't even know my screen. I didn't realize my screen had switched over like that, so I appreciate it. So we see on this 1 minute time frame how the 1 minute time frame is kind of, when it comes back to the 1 minute time, the 9 EMA on the 1 minute time frame, it's kind of pushing up. All right. So that's why when I come here to my charts, I have the 5 minute time frame up. I have the 5 minute on the right side. So it's the 5 minute time frame. Right here, I have the 15 minute time frame over here. Okay, 15 minute time frame. And as you can see right here in the middle of that 15 minute time frame, we're right here at that trend line. Remember, I was talking about the trend line, right at the trend line. And then over here, I have the 1 hour time frame up. Have that 1 hour time frame up right here. Okay. So on SPY right now, on SPY, we're checking this trend line. Let's see how it goes. Let's see if we bounce off this trend line, or let's see if it breaks through. I would prefer to see it make a wick right here, and then start to push up and making a bullish hammer candlestick. I would love to see it make a bullish hammer candlestick over these next 15 minutes.
Man, I gotta
restudy some of those candlestick things again.
Oh yeah, take your time. Listen, you're fresh, just starting, so take your time, no worries.
How do you feel about I'm looking at Tesla right now, and it's like it's not exactly a trend line, but it's going up, and it's past the what it's been throughout the pre-market.
Mm-hmm. What time frame
How
you
does
on?
that look to go up?
What time frame you on?
I'm on the 15 minute.
Okay. So with Tesla, so granted, I would draw my pivots. I use Charles Schwab. Used to be Thinkorswim Charles Schwab. So I use so right here, pre-market activity on Tesla is right here, and that's close to the previous day high. So right over the previous day high, everything. So right now with Tesla, a lot of people are excited about Tesla right now. I love Tesla as a company. I think over the years, Tesla is going to be one of the Tesla's going to just take over everything, in my personal opinion. I want you to look at something right quick. Tesla is currently trading inside of a box. Let me remove these. If we look right here, ever since, when is this date right here? January 24th. January 24th, Tesla basically came into this box. Okay? Tesla came into this box. And ever since then, Tesla has been trading inside of this box. Personally, I would not touch Tesla until it breaks outside of the box. Okay.
And I was about to say, like, how do you get the box? Like, how wide should the box be, or like,
Yep.
it's
Good
just off the
question.
lows and the.
Yep. Off the low. So if I come right here, a level that's been hit multiple times, I come right here off this low right there. Then I come right here to this high right here. And you see this high was hit right here, right? Fell down. And then it just hasn't touched it since then. Then it came down here to the bottom. Then it came up here to the top again and hit right there and fell down. So that's kind of confirmed this as the top, right? So now this is confirmed as the bottom. So now we know right here, these levels are the levels we should be looking at when it comes to Tesla. Now, if you're trading Tesla, let me also go to the 1 year, 1 day. You can see it as well. This is how you see it easy on the 1 year, 1 day. See it right there now?
Yep.
If you're trading Tesla, keep an eye on. I'm watching Tesla. I watch Tesla every single night. I come and see what Tesla did, right? Because I want to see if it's going to break beneath or break above. Break above, whew, great thing. We possibly gonna move up some. Okay, break beneath, gonna have to push down some more. But just lo and behold, when we break outside of this box, it's going in a direction. And that's when the play is going to happen. But besides that, I would definitely just stay away from Tesla. It's not moving enough. It's not moving enough for me. Volume is not exciting, and people are kind of just weary and seeing what's going to happen to Tesla. So I wouldn't necessarily go in trying to trade Tesla right now. That's just my personal opinion.
Okay, so that would be kind of like the move, like when you're doing swing trading, you kind of go out to like the week and the day, and you figure out if it's in a box consolidating.
Yep. Mm-hmm. That's one of the things you want to look for, because those are potential breakout opportunities on stocks. Now granted, if you look at like Home Depot, for example, HD, go to the 3-week time frame, right? 3 year, 1 week. Look how long Home Depot was inside of this box. Right here. It came into the box 2022. So from February 2022 to now, it just broke. Literally, it broke and staying above it in January 2024. So it was inside of a box for almost 2 years. You see what I'm saying? So, but the thing about it is, now that we're outside of the box, the question is, Why did it come out of the box?
Yeah.
What's the reason behind it come out the box? Why did it decide to peep his head out the box, right? Something to think about, okay? So that's a potential opportunity for a nice trade on Home Depot. Nice possible swing trade on Home Depot. Maybe go 6 to 8 months out if you're a swing trader, right? For example, on snow, what caught my eye on snow, let's take a look at this one. On the week, I got all these levels up here now. Let me erase all the drawn sets. Look right here on snow. Let me break this down some. Remove drawings. Okay, right here on snow. Snow was inside of a box for what? Basically since April of 2022. April of 2022. And then it finally decided to break out of this box January of 2024. And when it broke out of the box, what did it do? It has taken off. That box was 197 and now it's at 231. The high was 238. That's a 30, what? Almost a $40 move once it came out of the box. There's a reason behind it, right? What caused this stock to break outside of the box? So if someone's looking at Home Depot right now, they should go to Home Depot and start doing research on Home Depot. Go see what the CEO has been talking about. Go and see what's new coming out. Go see what the earnings said. Go look at all these things to see what has transpired with Home Depot to make it break out that box. Because something happened, and it was not negative news, it was positive news.
Mm.
All right, I'm up 1,900 on 1,900 open and $1,300 for the day on snow. And this is what I tell you about swing trades, right? A lot of people say, hey, I want to do day trading only. I say, I hear you, right? But the fact where you can get into a swing trade, when a play happened, a move happened, you're in the play already. You don't have to go and find the play. The play is already there. Okay? That's why, but when you're day trading, you actually have to get into a trade. You actually have to get into the trade. And nothing's wrong with day trade. I like day trade, swing trading. I do them all, right? But I'm just telling people, when you buy farther out, 3 months, 6 months, 8-month contracts, you're already in the trade. Oh, that's a good question, David. I'm not sure. Swamp Media just sold. Good stuff, Swamp Media. Swamp Fox Media just made $90. Good stuff, bro. Good stuff. Miss Brooks, Tesla. So I don't think it's a good time for Tesla until it break outside of the box. I do believe Tesla has some room to it could possibly fall back down, right? But at the same time, you could enter in on Tesla right now in a 1-year, 2-year contract, and it's probably going to do good for you, right? But like I say, at the exact same time, I believe Tesla has farther to go down potentially, especially if the market happens to go down. But this market is real strong. Like this market is very strong. So, it may kind of just sit around there. So, it's a hard question to answer. I'm gonna be honest with you. It's a hard question to answer with Tesla right now. It really is. It really is. But the safe bet, what I'm standing on, to break outside the box. Because if it break above the top of the box, that 196 area, it's right around 200. The high has been 299, so it has a ways to go, right? Break to the bottom of the box, it could possibly go back down to that 160 area, somewhere down there. So we'll see how it plays out. All right. All right, so check back on SPY, see what SPY doing. All right, so SPY came down. This is not a positive sign right here. SPY came back down. So remember, when we break through resistance, resistance becomes support, right? So we broke through resistance right here. Boom, nice push up. But look what happened. We fell right back down through it. Remember, whenever you break through a ceiling or you break through resistance, there's a hole in that ceiling, okay? And this hole was not patched up, nor did the borrowers move up, okay? So that's something interesting to watch right there. We want to see if it pushes. We want to see if this pushes back up from through this box and continue to go up. If it rejects this box, we could see SPY potentially push back down here to this first level down here, this 496.20. Okay, that 496.20 can potentially see that. Okay. All right. So any questions before we head out?
No, I think I asked all my questions. I appreciate it.
All right, no problem. And if you have any questions, if you need any questions, you need one-on-ones, just give me, just hit me up, let me know, and we'll go from there. Okay.
Okay, for sure.
All right.
All right, have a good one.
All right, you too, bro. Okay, so right here. I erased all my levels. That's the pre-market high. So we fell back beneath our pre-market high as well. Let's see if we go back above. And I entered this trade of snow a couple, maybe about a few days ago. Okay, so I want to see this next. I want to see this stock break back above this resistance right here, and go back and test this high right there. That's what I'm looking to see. If not, we're going to see a strong push back down, probably somewhere around this area right there. Okay. Strong push back down to those areas right there. Okay. All right. Also, everybody, the next mastermind 2.0. Okay. Matter of fact, let me do this for a second. All right, everybody. So, mastermind, everybody, appreciate you all for telling me I was showing my messages on my screen, so I appreciate that, everybody. So the next mastermind, everyone, is March 25th through March 29th. Okay, March 25th through March 29th. Everybody, when you're trading stock options, you can have your kid, your baby, right here with you. That's the beautiful thing about it, right? Beautiful thing about it. So that is March 25th through March 29th is the next 5-day mastermind. This mastermind 2.0. We're adding a few things to it. Going to give you guys some more in-depth information. It's going to be crazy. So that's March 25th through March 29th. Also, if you're brand new and you know absolutely nothing about stock options and you want to know, get kind of like a high-level idea of it, we're having our next webinar this Sunday. Okay, have another free webinar this Sunday, everyone. Okay, this Sunday. All right, everybody. So as of right now, I'm up $1,900. As of now, I'm up $1,900. I like quantum. I do. Right now, I'm big on AI. Like most people are big on AI. I would tell people to take a look at SMCI. Take a look do some homework on SMCI, everybody. Also do some homework on snow. Okay, do some homework on snow as well. All right. But just do some homework on chip makers. Do some homework on like Cloudflare as well, because of their cloud systems and they have data. Okay. No, you can buy a spot contract. Spot contract's not expensive at all. Okay. Sebastian, what's going on, my brother? Yeah, he getting huge, man. 7 months now. Trying to move around. Gotta change his diaper, get him ready. Give him some food in his belly. I bet she getting everything. Hey, good stuff putting that work in too, man. Good stuff putting that work in, brother. All right, everybody. I'm gone. But listen, you all have a good one. Thank you guys for tuning in to another session of live trading. And I'll see you guys next time. All praise to the Most High.